No, 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 no. Yeah. Hey, welcome to the Clear Cup Podcast, baby. Clear truth, clear views, clear news, clear clues, clear rules. The Clear Cup Podcast, the Clear Cup Podcast, baby.
Right, welcome to the Clear Cup Podcast. It's your boy Black Zulu, and right with me, Nala Abrazi, TD. So,
Ibuhan, the return of Shambes.
oh, give some best.
Nah,
Yeah.
10 is the special edition.
Yeah, very special,
Abash,
exclusive
Abash.
episode. We've got Chabi one time in the building.
Beep, beep, beep,
Happy birthday, hi,
beep.
guys. Happy birthday to you, my
Happy
nigga.
birthday very much, guys.
Yeah,
Happy
yeah,
birthday.
yeah.
Happy birthday, Beyonce.
And I'd like to thank the people. Man.
The people.
They listen.
The people behind all the people.
No, the people in general.
Yeah.
Because I asked last week, Yuri, it's my birthday.
Yeah.
So the best birthday gift would be 1,000 subscribers.
subs,
And I got it.
And
We got it.
and fuck the five,
got
man.
it.
Fuck the five.
Hey, Munna.
Fuck the five.
And I want to give it to Babu. Hey, Munna.
Haritui. Now fuck the
My man,
five.
so after we posted that we're on 1K,
Okay.
5, same time, Yatro 1K, I owe 995.
Oh.
So obviously it's a group
Fuck
of
the
people.
five, brother.
Now 195, 995.
It was wrong, it was wrong,
Ah,
995. No, no, not
Okay,
195.
we'll do a rerun. It's fine.
Yeah, we'll watch
sure,
it.
it's
Yeah,
195. But yeah, guys, it's
Fuck
a
the five.
special episode. 1,000 plus subscribers.
Shabash, 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 shabash.
Yo, and thank you so much. Thank you so much, beautiful people. Couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah.
It's been a long time coming.
Can we now
And-
officially say we are the biggest podcast in Bethel?
Yeah, because they came. They came.
Yeah.
The likes of Slachbal,
Eh,
Rowan and Kat.
They came and went.
Don't laugh when I say
The likes-
Slachbal.
the likes of
Don't
what?
do that.
The likes of
Don't do that.
what?
Slachbal.
He was
Yeah.
part of it. He
No,
was slacking the
no, I was not part of it. I was only in it.
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah.
Wait. Only found that ibili.
Yeah,
No,
Oh,
no,
Cool, yeah.
No, not even Cole.
Mhm.
I was just in it
Okay.
because the founder was Eric,
Okay.
of course.
Yes.
Then he approached me,
Uh-huh.
and then of course I said, okay, why not?
Sorry.
You know.
Yeah.
London.
Yeah,
London.
Oh,
yeah. And we did one episode, and it never went out. But it's not about Slachbal,
Yeah, no.
Raw,
And
and
it's not about
Uncut.
slandering anyone.
Yeah, not about we love him. In fact, he's been asking when are we shooting
Yeah.
because I think he wants
yeah,
to come over. He's been here, of course.
Man.
Eric.
We love him.
Yeah, he's a friend of the show as well.
Cool.
Yeah, but yeah, guys, it's a beautiful feat.
And then I say exist again.
Okay.
Podcast janin. Yeah, how little remote. The big five.
There was another big five.
Yeah, but what's behind?
Hey,
Which one was the
guys,
best?
so it means
The big one.
for the past so many years we've been wilding.
My guy, he never to reconcile. Like, you were not chasing.
Bro, I'm back. I'm back.
But yeah, man, yeah, it's a beautiful day. And
I'm not back.
no. Remember,
The heat is too much here. It gets slapped. No,
but-
man, like this episode, and it's a very good idea that came from Black. Where we get all the past hosts
yeah,
come back and
Yeah.
join us.
yeah.
And
Man,
celebrate not only my birthday,
It's only fair. It's only
but
fair.
this feat. Wouldn't have done it without you guys.
True.
Every single
Everybody
person-
else included,
Even
even MBO in some sense.
MBO couldn't make it.
Yeah,
But shout out to
Right.
MBO.
you know.
He played a huge role into what this is
Yeah.
becoming.
The only fucked up thing I don't know is necessarily little wild, little shit about scratching, but yeah, it's part of it. It's fine.
We were trying to think outside the box.
And there was MBO laptop. I don't know what the fuck MBO was doing laptop, but it's okay.
But now to be MacGyver, you have to be undisputed.
Yeah.
Instead of MBO.
Yeah. But again, you look at the numbers across all, everyone who's been involved, all the hosts. It says people have been watching,
Yes.
people have been part of us, and
people
people
love
have
it.
preferred us. People love it.
And it shows that every single person that came on contributed so much.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Because every single person that came would clearly follow you.
True.
Right,
Exactly that. Yeah. But yeah, let's take it right back where it started, Chabi.
Yeah.
So that for the benefit of our viewers,
Yeah.
they need to know how we started,
Yeah.
how the show came about.
I mean, this show, it can let it,
You know,
believe it or not. We were chilling.
Oh, I know the story. Yes.
Talking about
yeah.
relationship stuff. Elite couples,
yeah, -1, yeah, sure.
Yeah, no, one couldn't
Sustain the heat.
Ke marathon di deng.
Ke marathon di deng.
Kila ga fitla 100 meters a
Ah,
go.
ka khona.
So, doing this shit. Yeah, no, but initially in a podcast relationship, because
True.
Oh, okay.
we were there chilling, talking about relationships.
True.
How does your person treat you? Whatnot. But me and Black just decided, okay, Sheba,
hmm
we don't have anything,
But you got a phone.
but we have a phone.
Yeah.
Let's just take that phone with that whack ass sound. Because once you start, you can never go back.
You can never
Yeah,
go
yeah,
back.
yeah,
Yeah.
Because had we not started, you know, Black,
You know.
yeah,
Hoja,
Yeah.
Even though we still don't have proper equipment right now,
yeah,
but we're still doing it.
definitely.
Consistency. That's what I love about us again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the idea came from Pizza.
Came from Piteng,
And then we started.
and then we ran with it,
We ran with it.
and we didn't care. We have 2 views.
We
Three
didn't care. We
views.
didn't care.
We kept on pushing.
And the idea again was to shoot every two days every week.
Yes,
But then you said, no, let's do it once a week.
a week. Yes.
So that people get acclimatized to
Exactly.
to the podcast and all of that. And I want you to mention the name, of course, because we can't mention the other name because again, they're really four. But we can't mention the name
Yes,
of the
we
one
can't.
person. We can't.
Yes.
But Drops
Yes.
was very instrumental as well.
Yeah,
Uh,
and she still is because
she still
now,
is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's and I like it when you call her out. We're not executive producer. Maganeming how?
Yeah, no. And what's
Shout out
something
to
about
Drops.
day?
Hey,
What's
what's
something
about
about
this?
day? Yeah.
Shout out to my nigga.
Nah, shout out to Drops, man.
If people don't know, the intro part is actually Drops's
Idea.
idea. She made the intro part of it.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, the intro.
I change.
I'll change that.
Yeah,
Beautiful,
she made-
beautiful.
she made-
I actually like it.
Yeah.
Beautiful, yeah, dope. But yeah, man, it's beautiful how far we've come,
Yes,
how far along we've come,
Yeah.
and in that's where our friendship started.
definitely.
Because in fact, it had started before
Yes,
because
yeah. So this is the thing. I took out my girl on a date. Kamisa Pizza.
Pizza mfana fatakwana.
Hey, like that's how much.
And she stayed. That's a win.
Like I liked him. Like
She stayed.
she stayed.
it was
That's
like
a win.
rather
That's a
take
win.
my money to Black than take it to Wimpy or to sorry to name them, but
Yeah.
woman, I'd rather
Yeah.
take it to
And I'm Shabakal Dombolo and she loved it.
Alfan.
And you'd stay until late in the
Definitely,
night, you know.
definitely.
That's when
That's
actually
when the idea came
was
about. But Nelly
conceptualized.
wait.
Yeah, true. Then we just stayed.
It's
Shut
a
up.
big
Dodloza, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember there was one episode we did, really pizzing, really true fair.
Yeah, I remember. I remember.
But yeah, man,
So
it's
we've
beautiful.
come a long time.
We've come-
But wait, I'm trying to get it in order, Jorge. After you left, who came after you?
It was MBO.
Oh, it was MBO.
It was
yeah,
MBO,
direct.
yeah.
And then
And right there, before you come to the guys, right there, as I left, because I think we also owe our viewers a story behind
no,
how
I think
and
that
why.
deserves an episode on its own.
On its own.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not
That story is beautiful. Bro.
Because it needs MBO.
No,
No,
it doesn't.
ours.
Ours,
yeah.
How it came about to Avai
Then
Oh.
come back,
and come back.
you know,
Yeah.
because there was
Because
the
people thought
conciliation
that
that
me and him
happened.
had
Yeah,
beef.
no. We didn't beef, and
You know, it's people. Give it to them.
Oh,
yeah,
Obvious.
give it lame anyway, and we can't help it.
Yeah.
Can't help it. But yeah, MBO couldn't be here.
Yeah.
Did you reach out to him?
I did, definitely.
Okay, and
The response was positive.
okay,
He said he'll be here, but I'm guessing Obi's got the graduation.
most probably.
Yeah.
But yeah,
He's
but
still
then,
in
but
now.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
saw
so-
I saw one photographer as well amongst our mix. He's
No,
here.
Utata.
And yeah.
Utata
No, I
takes
was
him.
speaking in the sense, yeah, the photographer. Okay.
Oh yes.
How could one be? Also, MBO is booked and busy.
Yeah.
And the other one.
And this one, and this
Shalaza-
one that we have
Shalaza-
here,
Shalaza- yeah.
didn't get gigs there. This one couldn't get gigs.
Yeah.
Still.
I think the I think we should start with Abraj
Yeah.
because Abraj joined,
Yeah.
but how he left, people were asking themselves questions.
A lot of questions, though.
Who joined first?
Me.
It was Abraj.
Okay.
them,
Right after MBO or during MBO?
After.
After,
MBO.
yeah. So
he did a collab show with us and MBO,
yeah,
but MBO like Hawaii,
there was. You see how beautiful it has always been.
Yeah.
There's always been somebody ready.
definitely,
Yeah.
definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
So yeah, Abraj,
Say.
what I think, you came to the collabo show. How did it start about when Almajita got the little fat and said, guys, let's shoot.
And please start from the beginning. Your experience
Yes, my
with me
experience.
and the
I have,
pod.
I
Okay.
have to
Yeah.
think deeply so once on.
Yeah.
Because it's way back.
Way back. That old school
Hey,
hip hop thing.
way.
Wait,
Because how
Back
it
in
started,
time.
this is this is how it started. It
Yeah.
started Haneke Batla host.
Okay,
Yeah.
I thought he's gonna miss that, but he got it.
Yeah.
I started there, right? I saw an opportunity and Chavi saw an opportunity.
Yeah.
And then Tono, Hana matla.
But he can do it.
Besides that,
Okay.
I want this much subscribers
Yeah.
in
That's how
an
it started.
hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Swap.
Okay.
Wabona?
Yeah.
Since
Lady.
300 mamang subscribers.
Yes.
Chavi like, okay. I hosted Shapo.
Yes, sir.
Then, okay, I have to let her host. Then we came, MBO. Okay, we spoke. Aye, nice. Then Lava died. Okay, MBO was gonna leave. Someone had to step in.
True.
Because now, Haile Moteguani, it's gonna be boring.
That's gonna be boring.
Boring,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I went, okay, step in, be lively, be nice. People loved it. Then we moved on.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's how it happened.
Wait,
And-
so Abraj, did Sidiso join really two kappa? Who joined Happiness as from her exile?
No. Happiness found me here.
Okay, yeah,
So,
after exile.
wait. Now something important.
No.
How does
She
happiness
found me
come?
Yeah,
She found you
even
at the
before.
Oh yes.
Before.
Who came first before
I think-
Abraj and happiness?
I think
No, Abraj would Klepi.
Then
Abraj
happiness
came-
happened.
Then
No.
No, then Sidiso.
Then Sidiso.
Then Happiness.
Then happiness.
Yes.
Then most definitely because we're still gonna have happiness around
Definitely.
on the set. We'll dissect your story as
Yeah.
well. And then you came in, Sidiso. When the guys
Mhm.
Mine was it's not even weird. Man. I loved going to Moe's.
yeah.
Yeah.
Moe's was the shit that time.
Yeah.
Big team.
Yes. Chawa was playing at Moe's. Man.
Yeah.
So I used to. That is
Yeah.
before we were friends.
Yeah.
I'm like Chala Mfana.
I'm gonna you killing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna like
Wang
he
understand.
Yeah.
hype me up every time I get to what
And I wasn't lying that
Yeah.
time. I wasn't trying to make him feel.
And he's still
He was,
good.
he was good. He was fucking shit up.
Yeah.
I understand.
Funny how we started ka laptop and already killing it ka laptop.
From Queens.
Man. Yeah.
I was like, what's that? Not how you sing along.
He used to say that Albana Opalama when I said to tower.
She could feel it. Yeah.
Easy. Chava is an easy going person.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we linked up. We go exchange numbers. Say leader here. I remember this other time when it flows. Hot and latter. Or casino rola tamfana. I won't say the name. You remember that they really.
Oh, yes.
And then that's how like
Yeah, that's when we
How it started. Yeah.
And then one day I'm chilling at home. I think it was Friday or Thursday. This nigga texts me, bro, don't you wanna come to the port on
Were you watching at the time as well? Were you
Yeah,
watching?
yes, I was already affiliated.
Sure. Yeah.
So he texts me, he's like, bro, I want to start podcasting on Saturday.
Yeah.
I'm like, sure, I'm game, bro. So me, I'm thinking he's inviting me to chill
Yeah.
or maybe help him
Where's
with.
drops? Can you please contain the noise, please?
Now I'm thinking maybe I don't assist the technical stuff because that's what I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get here, my nigga, I'm finally like, bro, we shooting with you. This bitch ass nigga, what the fuck is this? Bro, I'm one person who loves behind the scenes.
Yes.
Check me at events. Either met the gate,
I've come to
I
notice
do
that.
sound.
Yeah.
always behind the scenes. I've never been in front of the camera.
Yeah.
And I don't like cameras.
Yeah.
Like I shove a body event in Zaron.
Yeah.
I don't take pictures there. Chap, I'm like, fuck, this nigga puts me in a tight spot. But I love this nigga. What the fuck? Why not? Let me do it. It's an experience. The industry in fella, let's do this shit. Yeah. We rocked. I knew. I'm not. And then I didn't come, I think, for 3 or 2 episodes.
Yeah.
Man. And he invited me again.
Yeah.
And then he was like, bro, what the fuck? Why not do this shit?
And
Because you can.
just to add on this,
Yeah.
on a era spice a Chabi.
Okay.
Yes,
So-
yes.
okay, yeah.
Chabi
Yeah.
in a lintino.
Because we know how he is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
instigate.
Yeah.
Hana wena wa tetel.
Alright.
And then everyone natika. Okay. 80% of the time we are doing this. nigga.
Yes.
20% I'm against him.
Yeah.
Which
yeah.
makes it
He sends
beautiful.
something.
Which makes it
He
beautiful.
sent something
Yeah.
and I'm like,
No.
bro.
Yeah.
I remember one episode that we shot like this.
Yeah.
I mean, me and him had a huge fight on
Had to
the
go at each other.
Went on it.
Yeah.
I mean, we
Dialogue.
Literally.
back and forth.
Dialogue.
But that's what makes podcasting beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uncensored. Like we wanna
Yeah.
hear both sides of the story.
True. Yeah.
So that's how I came into the pod, and I was like, ah, fuck it, let me do this shit.
Yeah, and you fell in love with it.
Yo, mfana,
Yeah.
yo, it was
Yeah.
the
Nice.
best times ever.
Yeah,
But
because
now, you know, life happens, and then you get hit with a lot of things. Then you
Then you get
There's some
busy,
things
and then
that I have to
yeah.
sacrifice.
True.
Okay. I get everyone is running their race.
Yes.
So now my race requires me. Okay.
Yeah.
But
True.
first time I told him,
Yeah.
First time I
And tell
told
them
him,
about the meeting we had in the car.
oh yeah, I'm
Yeah.
coming there.
Yeah.
Okay.
First time I call him, I'm like, bro, hey, I need to talk to you about something. He's like, oh, hey, no problem. I'll pull up to your house. Pulls up. I gotta go. No one I can. In my mind, I'm like, hey, man,
How do I tell this
I'm
nigga?
making the biggest mistake of my life. But now I have to do this shit.
Because you've
Because
got
now
reason.
I can't.
Yeah.
There's other things that are going on that I have
Yeah.
to attend to. So I break it down to him, hey, bro. I can't do podcast anymore based on.
Yeah.
That time.
Yeah.
He's like, to me, I financial psychology. Like, bro, you got to this shit
Yeah.
when there was almost nothing,
Yeah.
and now it's picking up. I go to Majita Sabildile.
Yes.
Now, yeah, climax.
Yeah.
Decide where you wanna leave, Arana. Not just yet. Wait for this shit if you get that because it will rate it and so.
Yeah.
And I stay. Yeah.
And he
But
stayed
late-
for a while.
Yeah,
bro.
but
Yeah.
later
Still
on,
beautiful.
I'm fine. I couldn't.
Because there was a moment when Chabi told me that he's still trying to persuade you,
Mm.
and then
That was the meeting we had in the car.
In the
yeah,
car.
and that's when he stayed
I
for
said
a
one
while.
thing, Kito, and imagine now we are at 10K subscribers, you're watching us and you're not part of it.
Do you understand?
I
And-
saw you
and you are-
Shabali.
but-
Yeah,
Royalties
And you're
are
part of
like
what build this
zero.
shit up.
Royalties are
Yeah.
like
I'm fan out only dollar. Yeah, happiness about it.
Nah, lebal. But you know when you asked me to stand in for you, Chabi,
Yeah.
and then we shot at
Yeah.
the club at FK. Yeah. I found the guys were very interesting. Butle was there, of course,
Yeah.
and they were very interesting in terms of how they engaged and how.
Yeah.
Because remember, that was the first time I stood in for you
Yeah.
after I left,
Yes.
and I know podcasting from my perspective with
Yes.
yours
Yes.
on how we did it. Remember, we would just sit down with no topic, with nothing,
Nothing.
and just look at each other and then start talking.
That was the good part about it.
Yeah.
We never used to discuss shit.
That-
Would come here,
In fact,
rock.
it is in
Rock.
fact still.
Yeah.
It is because you know what? It still happens even now. We would
Yeah.
go in a group and plan and post shit,
Ma-
and we would never discuss. Sometimes we discuss 2 or 3 items.
Say two
Yeah.
And the
fella,
rest
then
of it,
the rest
just
No,
go
no.
wild.
Obviously, there's trending stuff. Hey, bro, did you see this?
That's how
Yes.
exactly, you know. And as I shot with them, then I said, but these are good additions
Yeah.
for the pod because okay, good additions. Not. And I want to be honest, not so much so about Butle, but about the guys because I could hear their perspectives and how they engaged and how they kept the conversations going. They were lively. They were there, you know. And they gave because remember I love doing this,
I know.
and they gave me that energy, you know, and that's where we got it.
No, you must
Opla, I know you have the voice for it too.
Yeah,
Another thing
regardless.
about this all of this.
yeah,
It starts here.
true,
Yeah.
true,
If you don't have the heart for it,
true,
because now you get exposed to a lot of shit.
true.
Now I get random people banka podcast, and then you know these motherfuckers. There's motherfuckers that don't. I see them that they don't watch the podcast because count the months that I haven't been here.
Yeah,
It's over 6 months.
but they
I
still
think.
want to talk about
But
previous
no,
stuff.
no,
Speaking about that,
Loy,
Yeah.
When I
about
give a
that.
podcast,
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah,
And I haven't been here
For some time.
For fucking long
Yeah.
time.
yeah.
So now it comes with a lot of things, criticism.
But then to both of you, how do you respond to such when they want to talk to you about the pod now, and then
That's
you
what
have to
I
give them
think.
feedback?
That's what
Okay,
I'm thinking.
here's my view. Nick.
Yeah,
Let's say I see something within you.
yeah,
I don't I wanna come.
yeah.
First question, Utubwaka in.
It's always the first question.
That's the first question. Utubwaka in. What's interesting? What's something new that
Abraj says that.
That you
Now I
bring,
always
yeah,
tell them,
true.
okay, Uveta Nancho, but when you get in front of the camera,
You
ain't
won't do
saying
it.
shit.
You won't do it. You know.
So
Yeah.
now, there's still people that not people that I bring along. When I'm about to bang up Pochang, fortunately, one of the guests put him Fanda.
Okay.
I told Chava about it. Remember now, this person wants to come through in here. And now he kept on his word. There's Vadi's coming.
True.
Yeah.
He's here.
Yeah.
And he's gonna pop it. I know for a fact.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
No, beautiful. But it's amazing. It's amazing how far we've gone. as a podcast.
And how far we
I
go.
miss
And
the
how
hate.
far we going?
Yes.
How far we going still? Because there's a lot of hate, bruh.
Facts.
But here's what I said to the guys on one episode that we didn't get to release.
Yes,
that
yes. Very
let's
important.
not feed on the hate
Yes.
Yeah.
that the guys are dishing out. Let's build on the love that's there. Because these
Because
guys.
now you giving these motherfuckers too much airtime.
True.
And
guys,
It's not even-
People who
it's not
really
even
love us
positive.
subscribed, and people who
I
really
feel
love us
like the
stayed
hate-
with us.
The hate
Yeah.
is free marketing.
True. It's free marketing, and
Free
it's
marketing.
always the
Let them
case.
see.
I'd like to send a shout out to Andy Dembele.
That's
Still,
And then you said somebody said you were beefing with Andile Mahlangu.
Yeah, actually,
Andriando.
when it, my man, I think there's only one relevant Andile in Bethlehem,
That is Andile
which
Mahlangu.
is Andile Mahlangu, the
Yeah.
artist. So they thought I'm beefing with him when they saw everything.
Okay.
Yes,
Got to know it's Andile
at least
Mbele.
the relevant one.
Yeah. But yeah,
Happy birthday,
it's
champ.
guys, it's been beautiful.
Happy birthday,
I
champ.
loved the 2 times that we did. The 2 times we shot together.
yeah.
I mean, I my wish. My
no,
wish.
say and more on to come.
Yeah.
I'm still
I was
here.
gonna speak to that when I
Before we let them go, Black,
yeah.
I want us to discuss the controversy behind him leaving
Who?
Abraham.
Me,
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah.
So
That is
Because
very
you know what
very
happens.
important.
You know what happens? To prove that there was no beef between me and Chabi.
Yeah,
Everything and every time something happened to the pod, he'd give me a call.
yeah,
He'd
He'd
definitely.
send a
Yeah,
text.
yeah.
We would talk.
Definitely. We
Even
talked
when
it
you
out.
left,
Mhm.
we spoke.
Yeah, we spoke.
He
Yeah,
called.
yeah,
Yeah. You
yeah.
know,
And I was
yeah.
somehow let me say Hakopana Black.
yeah.
He shares some ideas and I see them implemented.
Do you
There
understand?
was that one
Yeah.
time, remember, Hakla and then Ravaya.
One drop and clone. Yeah.
And then before he got off the car,
We spoke.
dog, I see the build up to it now.
Yeah.
Structure it, it's so help
Yeah.
charge. And I see these things
Yeah.
they're getting
Which is
implemented
beautiful
now.
because it says we
There's no
we
backlash,
are all
there's no
aligned.
hate,
we
we are here.
want to
There's
work together.
There's
Yeah.
never. So
But-
now people, if they don't see you anymore, they think, oh, I must talk about
Even
Come
when I
on,
left-
yeah.
Even when
Yeah,
I left,
yeah.
I told Chad, dude, if something happens, call me.
Yeah.
I'm just a call away.
That's why when that episode happened, you were all available still,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and we all shot together. Yeah.
So with this one, to the people, yeah, this is how it felt like. And at the time, I won't lie, I'm part of the people that felt like
Mhm.
this thing breaks and it explodes.
Mhm.
That we are body shaming.
Yes.
Yeah.
True.
And the person that broke this story, Kim Khotso Abraham,
Yeah.
ne?
Yeah.
I don't know una papeting,
Nana Hanning.
una nahani
That
eng,
are working.
because my man, and I told the brush to his face,
Yeah.
if this guy's really your friend, should have come to you first.
True.
Yeah.
Because now he's messing with your bag.
Yeah.
Because the pod essentially is going to be your
Your
bag.
bag.
True.
Come on.
Your identity.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That broke, and then Mvanao the next day ungomela letter of resignation.
Resignation letter.
Wabon. So
That was
And now you wanna
That was
align it.
professional as
You
fuck.
wanna align
That
it
was-
to.
But when that letter
that was
said you-
professional, bruh.
'cause
It
unlike
was well
someone
written.
else, yeah.
Emina, well
But
written.
big up to your brother as well.
Yes.
Because for him to think that far.
Yes.
I mean, I just left.
Literally,
Yeah.
Yes.
I just left. I
I'm
told
around
him
your
I'm
next
not coming.
No, I feel like for Nane, if I know you like that and
Yeah.
I see potential in you, I won't just leave. If Google I'll
You wanna
confront you.
talk to the person, make them
Yes,
understand why you're
understand.
leaving.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Happy, ask yourself, but happy I know the respect that he has for me.
True.
This guy respects me.
But again,
And
you see, there's so many things here that are relevant to all of us.
Yes.
Respect,
Yeah.
working together, the
Yeah.
spirit that's always there. We've maintained the respect
Yeah.
from all of
From
us.
all
here,
of us, yeah.
still.
Happen Lele when I joined, I told Chabu, dude, this for a long run, when I'm make proposal,
Yeah.
c'est peut-être la fella maybe or
Yeah, he did say
Yeah.
something.
As a friend.
Just once asked this question, Argent. Okay, he was asking one of us in group chat day. Do you realize there could be a point where we have to move from Bethlehem here, George,
Here,
because
George.
now we're no longer catering for these people.
Which is
only.
true.
It is such
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
My man,
Shout out
what
to
I asked
Namibia
at
for
that
watching.
time. Ne?
Namibia.
Yeah.
Who's watching Namibia?
I don't want.
No,
Shout out
even
to
Botswana.
Namibia.
Even Botswana.
You said that
We have
on other shows.
yeah, we have people
I
from
want to give
Botswana.
it to you guys. I brought people from Lesotho as well.
Nice. And every time you guys go to Great Escape and you go
Yeah.
to Lesotho, please, man, plug us.
Sure. Okay.
Like the people. In
Yeah,
fact.
we'll do that.
Yeah.
And Black, remember the conversation I had with you guys in the group?
Mhm.
I had it with him, but face to face.
Yeah.
You're Black. I wanna go 99 subscribers. What if this shit blows up? Would you leave it saying, because me, this is me. This is my
home.
life. Guys,
Dreaming
there's a
big.
reason why I'm not working a 9 to 5.
Yeah.
I'm entertainment
Yeah.
forever.
Yeah.
So, Emna, this is something that you built. It's one of the most successful businesses in Bethlehem.
Yep.
Would you leave this to go pod in Joburg? Mfana wa hayi nahana video ka tla bona tsia man.
That
I
was
mean, most
definitely-
definitely. Most definitely. You know.
Because look on our response was definitely fuck it.
Yeah.
Because now, Johnny Big One, it starts here. Dog.
Yes.
True.
And when the
It's in
minute,
the heart.
the minute
The
you
love
know, you
for it.
learn another thing, shit becomes easier.
The love for it, yeah.
Because now, if below how you say Shapulon, it over one time now you miss episodes.
Yes.
Come about that
Yes.
sequel,
Yes.
how watching the and it, mind you, open maybe you guys are getting paid now. But now,
Hayi, kodwa yini?
Ayaqala ngqula.
Yabona.
so now you're not getting anything out of it,
Yeah.
but you still show up to the
Man,
occasion. It shows the love that
How
you
many
have
years
for
has
this
it
shit.
been now?
One
You know.
understand.
You know.
So
Even
if they don't want to know,
even this 1,000, we should have long achieved it.
yeah.
But I don't want to portray Bethlehem as negative and what. Maybe people just didn't understand what we're doing.
Yeah.
We only get into it now,
And
but
now-
it's fine. It's in a way.
And it's genuinely picking up.
Yeah.
Do you
And
understand? Yes.
Yeah, and it's
You know,
beautiful to see.
it's beautiful to see it.
And-
Yeah.
And I don't think to show people love us, ne? It was 4 or 5 that's why.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then or 5 and replace my 10.
Because I
understand?
remember when we were going through the body shaming thing,
Yeah.
I was only worried about one person.
Yeah.
I was not worried about Sidiso. I know him. He's strong.
Yeah.
He can take it.
Yeah.
I was not worried about happiness. She doesn't
Yeah.
give a fuck.
Yeah.
I was worried about him.
Okay.
Definitely she doesn't give a fuck.
Exactly.
Okay.
Like how she handling all this bad publicity.
Yeah.
And then
That's coming
straight to her.
Yes.
Nekil Warit, are you okay? Every day, in the group, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you guys okay? Like, I mean, they handle like the champion.
No, man, guys. Beautiful stories that came with your experiences. Ed, you being part of this. There's a question that you asked him that I want him to finish off quickly.
Yeah.
With that question, then we let the guys go. We bring the girls on.
Uh-huh.
Hore, as you left, how did you feel about the podcast?
Okay, the podcast was still the same, ne? I have a huge heart.
Yeah.
Easily to break. Okay, it's fine. But we're learning how to like eat,
Yeah.
But the podcast came to the heart, was like
But there was nothing. There was no beef.
no,
There was no
nothing,
hate.
nothing.
We're not angry.
Like I took the podcast as a family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ka lelapa, we fight.
Yes.
Ke lana ka
Yeah.
lona le buhle,
Yeah.
ntse ke buisa
Yeah.
pele.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wa bo lo sana ka nna ka lona le
Yeah.
tshediso, ka
Yes,
bo
it's
buisa.
gonna happen.
And
You
you fight
understand?
every time.
Yeah. So
It's family.
So what people must know is that as we are sitting here, all of us, there can never be beef or there was no
Yes,
beef.
Yes,
Yeah.
there was
It was
no
all
beef.
love. It was all there were reasons behind.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hape due to my career.
Yeah.
ne, It in a hloka hore ke tlohe from the
The
limelight.
space as
Yeah,
well.
yeah,
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
la pele bo spanning ne le ntho ya hore, "Eish, bana, chill, tjenana," wa bona.
And in the
Another thing now, me I'm a service provider.
Yeah.
You understand?
and then some people
So
don't want to
now,
associate with
these
you.
motherfuckers, they fuck up. You come here, you talk about them, and then there's a
Tell me about
certain
it.
loophole,
Yeah.
covered here.
Yeah, tell me about it. You know, there are guys who fucked up now
Yeah.
with the UIF thing. We speak about the story, not mentioning the names, and then we get the hate.
And then
Wow,
we
but
get
Do you
the-
feel it? Yeah, but I feel where you're
And
coming
it was
from.
on a fucking one of the biggest platforms.
Where it was published.
And it was like.
And now we come behind
And
these
then
guys.
can't some of it.
I can't say Mabito, but I can't say Mabito. We come
But
behind
we got
these
the
guys,
most
you
hate.
know. But yeah, nevertheless, guys, it was
But it shows
awesome.
the impact, guys.
It shows the
Facts.
impact. True facts. You know. Nevertheless, it was beautiful having you guys. I wish you all of the best with what you're doing
More
currently.
subscribers on to come.
Abashwe.
You know,
Bana ba Baloyi.
that's what we love.
And ask his
Yeah.
who dirile anya.
Yeah.
So the way Kim Foster Nangatin.
Yeah,
And it meant so much to me.
yeah,
Face to face.
yeah.
And Chala Chapter got a job. I was so happy, bro.
Yeah, beautiful.
He came
Beautiful.
to me.
Nice.
Shout
Yeah,
out,
man,
shout
like
out, shout
it
out
meant
to
so
my
much.
nigga.
Okay,
Yeah.
this guy, Usinse Petrol, I can't just like a text.
From what I can tell you, both these guys are one of the good ones.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
love them.
definitely.
Although I think but it's fine, guys.
And one thing, Pep, Monana, ne, we don't care about simple things. Ne? Sharp. Thank you. You can continue.
Abash.
Ross Tiriso and Abrash, your hosts, previous hosts
Yeah.
for the pod, and
We got
we'll
more.
be right back.
Abash.
Then we've got the one and only first friend of the show.
Yeah. This is the first friend.
The first ever friend of the show.
Yeah.
He was here when we started
Yeah. With just shooting with a phone.
with a phone. You know, he did the
Who
first
fit that
few
Goloi
episodes.
with
I brought in the idea. It's John Feller. I came in with the idea.
Yeah. But Malume Jones, welcome, man.
Shaka.
And we sort of bring you on and having you here because you've been part of it. You've been there.
Yes,
We've gone reached a milestone. Yeah, 1K subscribers. We're still going further. Although it took a long time, we said maybe Bashabet Clemens try to understand
adapt that to what we trying to
you
do.
know. But you came into the show many a times. You've brought controversies. We just want to find out what's your experience of the show and what do you think about the podcast itself.
Before I can get to that now,
Yeah,
Setsisa, much as we're celebrating the 1,000
Yeah.
subscribers, you know,
yeah,
episode to tsela tsaka tsela tsena ke le di etsa tsela tse pedi tse
Yeah,
tharo.
yeah.
The views,
Yeah, no, that's true.
true,
you know,
true.
That
Yeah,
is
the views it is,
Yeah.
yes.
yeah,
But
but
then
true.
it's all about, it's a numbers game.
Yeah.
Let people, they choose what they want to
What they
watch.
want to watch.
True.
Yes, what-
Yeah,
Now, besides watching, consume.
what they want to
stuff.
consume. Yeah,
What they want
yeah.
to consume because
I want to shout you out, Malume Jonas. Ne? It's very easy for you to have started a dislike against the Portland Blacklist. It would have been easy.
And then he didn't.
oh,
You know what I mean?
He would have trashed
Hey,
the
you
podcast.
could have went on social media like you do,
Yeah,
and I've never seen a post where he's
Yeah.
talking trash about the
no, I cannot really. It's very secret again. Open and now, I won't talk trash. You can't talk it. Can need.
Yeah. It's all.
But I now have huge respect. for that.
Yeah,
Like
but
it's
he has
like
also brought the controversy, man.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah, remember this episode we shot. Kata Maspala.
Yes.
Hey.
Views.
And I cannot go to people want. Never what I'll say.
Yes.
But they don't know where to consume.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because nchonga pete nanga
Yes.
betleme ne.
Happiness.
Uthola nto. Let's say the scoop.
Yes.
You need to re pitseng. Tlametse palame taxi and palame taxi fela. Tlametse palame taxi ya Bratemba.
Ah, fuck.
I can't talk against Akwana Fitara.
Wa
Yes,
ukisa
then.
ke
Ke hana ka sekoloto.
And then haya pitseng ska fela. After one.
Hey,
Palame.
get them body chisa.
Sharp. Khona tlo kena batho ba le ba tlo taka ntwana. And
Serious.
then tshobana ka betleme hape. Ha ba tla thola ditaba. Phunya fela. Seswa fela.
Hey.
O tla bona.
Best nepe sa ntwana so ba motho yo. Ah, o tlo utlwa.
He always gets his way with Tuska because he's forever like Ntole and Tuska would be right on him.
Hey,
And then they'd have a go at each other. True what he's saying.
Another thing about Malmeji,
Yeah,
when the whole Andile thing happened,
yeah.
what I respect about Mutwana Alkelele, he didn't ask questions.
Yep.
He went and watched the whole episode.
Yep.
Analyzed everything.
And he gave proper feedback.
And he said, Mara, I kusis.
Oh, Motuna Laganya.
Like on that, ne? This is the last time I'll ever speak on this.
Yeah,
Hotman Lahai,
yeah,
Lymphone,
yeah. Holman La.
Landi,
Okay,
Ebongani, Ndaga.
okay,
Nasabilita a certain
okay. Yeah.
yeah, he's in
Oh, law firm.
a law firm, yes.
Yes.
No side to it.
Yes.
Oh, half una, even a while heaven. I see you are McG level now.
Yeah.
Hey, you are trending.
Yeah.
And then he's like, this boy is so small-minded because you were actually saying that that guy is wrong for not preaching now.
True. Uncool.
Yes.
It was very
And it was
uncool
uncool of him not
Yes.
to come to Mhloko Studio.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I will never speak about that again.
Nah, done.
Mara le teng hape, what I can tell you ne.
Yeah.
my 90s, re impulsive.
In fact,
Ke etsa ntho e wrong. At the back of my mind, ke re, e ska mpa ba mpona. Wa itse ke ntho e jwang? E ba mane mo e leng hore once somebody picks up se kelello ya ka e reng ha mpone. That is why se ke hlaya ke etsang.
So defend.
Yes,
Yes,
but
yes.
defensive because now
Beautiful
in
way on how
my
it's
mind-
played.
Yeah, you just
Beautiful
put it-
way.
in my mind I told myself for Rakito ball. Jwalo ka
Yeah.
Pitseng.
It had to go there.
Pitseng moro wa teng ko jwetsa o etsa.
That was Motivation
Alright,
guys.
Motivation, thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Pitseng ke le jwetseng ha o rekile ntho. Beef. Hobane beef ya ke go e braile ke ga ina mo go ke. Ba tsela mo go tla kwa. O ntse no. Beef ena mo go teng.
Come on.
Come back.
Come on, guys.
Amara tsara re poto.
Guys, we love you very much. We're going to do a live exchange. I'm going
Live
out.
exchange. Live exchange.
Live exchange. I'm going out. Maluma Jones is going out. We have Butle and
The original game.
Happiness.
What you say?
Listen fast. Listen
And
fast.
also that it's a party.
Hey, what
Guys, let's do this quick.
did you Mr. Birthday?
Mona.
Mr. Birthday boy.
The journey
Ah,
so far.
yeah.
Like
There's been a change.
Yeah, no.
being on this podcast, like saying from how I started and everything. Wow. Wow. That was Mrs. Podcast, everyone.
Baby.
I drops.
You're Rosie.
So guys,
It's not the one. What you just did,
as
dog.
I was saying, being on the podcast, like even when I first came, because Chabi and I met at Inkwe, like our first time ever meeting at Inkwe. Yeah, we met at Inkwe, and then he was with a mutual friend of ours. Yeah, and then it became such a beautiful moment because immediately after we met, it felt like I've known him for such a long time.
Yeah.
Because the vibe was immediately, like we clicked immediately. And then when I first got invited to the podcast, watch the episode, I was wearing gray. So when I first got invited to the podcast, I was a guest, and the energy was just so amazing that Chabi even asked me like, "Do you want to be on permanently as like a final co-host?" And I wouldn't give up that. It was fun, you know what I mean? Like shooting this podcast has been one of my great. Like if someone was to ask me what fulfills you in life, being on this podcast is
Shit,
probably
man,
one
that
of it.
means so much.
It really does. Being on this podcast is one of the things that fulfills me in life. Like being around people that love you, being around people that respect you, being around people that just know you for who you are is crazy. And it's very rare to find nowadays. It's very rare to find. So I love being on this podcast, and a shout out to Chabi. Thank you so much for calling me cupcake. And there was a point where I left, but
Story for another day.
sorry for another day, but I came back because
Molested.
yes, but like I'm glad that I came back, and I'm glad that we are where we are. 1K subscribers, baby. Nowhere to go but up, babes.
And
Nowhere
please
to go
keep on
but up.
subscribing, guys. We love you.
Yeah, we love
and
you.
we appreciate it. Yeah.
Thanks. So thank you, Chabi. Thank you, everyone that subscribes. Even the haters, you watch so you can hate. So thank
No,
you to
my
you guys
man,
too.
your haters are your fans.
Thanks.
High five you.
If you have 5 haters, make sure you get it to like 10 by the end of the
Yeah,
week.
yeah.
Come on now. So
By
like
the end
just
of the day.
And you know what's funny?
what?
We know who they are.
We know who you are.
Yeah.
You think you're hiding in the grapevine?
Ah,
We
man.
know.
But you know what, ne? It just showed. Personally, it showed me that we are loved because you like how Sama 5, Wakana 20.
Why cannot 20?
Yeah.
And it was
So,
beautiful to see, and we love you guys
Yeah.
so much. Keep commenting, comment, guys. We want to know your opinions. We want to know what you guys think. If you don't agree with what we're saying,
yes,
tell us.
please tell us. Yeah.
We're not gonna talk about you.
Let's
We're just-
pump so much, bro.
yeah. Oh, okay. Let's gotta get the drugs though. But like, just talk to us, cause we are human.
Yeah,
Just
man,
because we're achieving doesn't mean we're not human.
Good
Bana lean the Google TV
your
though.
experience.
Experience is hard.
Yeah.
Louder, Toby, louder. I wanna party, celebrate, Pella. Louder.
Hey, Maya, nna ke fitla. Bengazi ukuthi happiness mad.
Yeah.
I wasn't mad at the time.
As a guest. The time
No, you were mad at the time.
You were.
Was I? When she
Yeah.
arrived?
When
Oh,
When
okay.
she arrived, because you like, oh, these
'Cause I
fuckers
was-
are replacing me.
Yeah, because I was like, young replace, I
On my way,
Yeah.
let them move. But I want you to see this one, bang update the room.
happiness this and ke hopola ke lava ka e bring up after shooting.
Yes, you did.
Yeah. Ke re lentse happiness.
Do you
Oh,
know
I
what
didn't-
I appreciated about
And
that
what I
thing?
didn't say about Tukuri, I didn't want you to feel like
I'm taking your
Well,
job or
yeah,
There's no
your
space for me
place.
anymore.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but-
yeah, yeah.
Hey, and the killer boots, like let's say happiness. Like
Yeah.
we can even know that. Let's say happiness. And she was like, "Oh, we got that." She
Uh,
was like,
yeah.
It's such a chubby thing to say.
Yeah,
Believe
yeah.
me. Particularly one.
Yeah, that's true.
Particularly one.
But
But I like the fact that when I did voice out why I was angry, they actually like they made me halfway. It wasn't
Yeah.
like kahlanya.
Yeah,
They
no,
were
I
also- Yeah,
because,
yeah, yeah.
because sometimes there, and I've realized as well.
Yeah.
Even you realize it's a caspoot.
Mm,
You might think you're someone's friend, but they don't give a fuck about it.
exactly.
So
It's
if you meet
one-sided.
me if you meet
I'm
me
gonna
halfway,
meet you
It makes sense, yeah. Because they made me halfway and they made me understand why that happened. And then I met them halfway and I put it okay, maybe I crashed out, sorry. And then we came back together. And you were also on, and it was just a vibe now because you and I were friends. So it was like
because Buhle, what's working?
I don't even remember happiness.
it just happened.
Ah,
No.
now
The thing
for
is,
the
we
other
knew
one.
about each other.
Leave me for after. Hey, give him.
Oh, Basi!
I'm gonna escape. And you know for 11.
Like people wow, most of the time you like it so.
Hey.
I'm like, nna ke bone necessity hore ke dule ke re ke na le bona ba sentse ba tla bua ke nna ke fitla ka re hwa spice
Re bilingual, re bilingual.
And you know what I
don't
like,
know
man?
English. I just don't think
See the
hore
need.
it's
It's
an
necessary.
yeah for
Yeah.
me to
We are bilingual.
le introduction ha ke chobi ha ke so be ready with it because by
And I get I'm sending a group chatting. I literally wrote
but
it
the one thing
down.
about me ne, if something is enforced hore ke learn, then I ke bone hore I'm gonna because ke a tseba ke chabute
Knowledge just comes to you.
But guys,
oh
let
but
me-
hey I appreciate this too bambora but
obvious. Lena, I want to say something. Guys.
Yeah,
This podcast makes sense
it does.
because we kind of like Anakinye Yabo Magai.
Yeah, you know you.
They make sense.
They
you know
make
what?
sense,
We've got Saul, the smart one.
of course.
We've got McG, the outlandish one. You have Ghost Lady, the stupid one.
Okay,
It
yeah.
makes sense.
ah
I was stupid.
no
I can
Hey! Guys, she's the stupid one. She's just
Babela,
one.
I didn't know.
no listen
just
listen hurry not here who's the stupid one
Guy,
Kinna.
I'm not stupid.
Oh, yeah.
Lepana.
Arena stupid.
no
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
like who's stupid your ring mara
We have that one that's like
But wait, okay. So who's the outlandish one?
black.
Black is outlandish.
No, black
Does he
is
say things to? I think you are, bruh. When I went to a spice,
like
I
I
get
just
about it.
yeah, and then I'm like, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that could be me, yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm
Who's
also
the-
the
who's
stupid
the
one.
stupid one? Who's the smart one?
Hayo.
Ayo.
Hayo.
I think we're
Hayo. There's no
So the
smart
stupid
people.
couple.
There's no smart people on this podcast. So
Guys, you know
we
who's the
are all
one
smart.
about
there's
it.
no if you think you know who the smart person is on this
Hey,
podcast,
please, guys, comment. Who's the smart one on this
There's
podcast?
no smart person. We're all dumb. We're
I
all
think it's
dumb.
one time. I'm just saying.
Oh, you think it's one
Oh, you
time.
don't.
Oh, you think
you
it's
don't.
one time. Oh my days.
Guys, wait.
Obviously,
Let me say something. The one episode I said something. Ne? And we work a Big Brother.
Yes.
We got over 50,000,
Dude,
50K.
People
views.
are coming off
Wait,
me though.
wait.
Damn.
But who was talking? The smart one. Thank you. This is.
Sechaba is not smart.
Sechaba Lipoto.
Sechaba
We
is
know
just-
it's your birthday today.
We know it's your birthday.
But please, my brother,
You are not the smart one.
relax.
There's no
guys,
Delegate Robs.
Guys.
Yeah.
Executive producer is the
That
smart
goes
one.
lady.
Yes.
Wait,
This was
And will always be the Cracker Podcast.